You're coming here because we want to ride, we enjoy riding, but we also want to experience the people and the culture of the area.
I'm excited as much for the places as I am the riding itself and the scenery.
Texan hospitality is something you got to experience for yourself.
Such a dream come true. I'm still trying to get into my body on what we're about to go do. Super stoked. This is the first taste of unpaved riding we've gotten today. Blasted through an epic water crossing.
That was fantastic. I gotta imagine that's about as good as it gets around here.
Man, that is so pretty.
You're like in a canyon, it's beautiful, super windy and fun. I was really feeling it on the Pan America.
If you want to just go have a really good time and just enjoy beautiful scenery and fun twisty turns, this is a great place to start.
There's nothing that technical. What you're really here for is to experience Texan culture.
Woohoo! Heck yeah, we're finally getting some Texas barbecue.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Yeah, I've been sweating it about those bump gates all day, dude, and that's the most fun I've had all day.
Super unique to this area. I've never come across a bump gate. First time here in the Hill Country. 2 days ago, it was 102 degrees, and today it's 50 degrees and rainy.
The last 4 days, we have literally had all 4 seasons of the year.
I think there is enough to see, enough to experience, and I think some of it's going to shock you.
There's a lot of scenery and there's just enough good dirt. It's a fun place to ride. There's some great people.
It was fantastic. It had a little bit of everything.
It's almost the ideal introduction to adventure riding.